Hello everyone and welcome to Neet Mentor. In this video we are going to look at the Neet PG 2022 last year cutoff for West Bengal State Counseling. In the West Bengal State Counseling, first of all is open state and we have management quota seat in private colleges as well as government quota seat in private colleges. So we will look at the cutoff for both management quota where the candidates from other state can also apply, and government quota in private colleges is applicable only for domicile candidates or those who completed their MBBS from West Bengal. And then we will look at the government colleges cutoff in West Bengal, branch wise and category wise. Okay, so before we start, if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe this channel, and in the description you can find the PDF. You can find Instagram page and Telegram group which you can join, and there you can find this PDF or a screenshot which you can save for future reference. It will be useful, and I'm also going to give you like what marks, how many marks you need to have in your GT so that you can comfortably get the branches through West Bengal State Counseling. Okay, and you can also avail our paid counseling guidance. The contact number is 9319128677. Is given in the description as well as in thumbnail. Okay, so for radio diagnosis, the cutoff was 43,807, and there are 5 private colleges. KPC was the oldest medical college over there and it's very good medical college. Then you have IQCT, iCare, Jagannath Mishra. Okay, so these are the colleges, and the tuition fee is 27 lakhs yearly, and the cutoff for radio is 43 lakhs. Okay, and dermatology 43,000 for radio diagnosis, 56,512 for dermatology. For general medicine 55,000, pediatrics 80,000, OBGY 76,981, orthopedics 82,538, TB chest 89,400, general surgery went up to 91,000, psychiatry medicine just qualifying score, opthal, ENT, anesthesia, pathology all up to just qualifying score. Earlier the cutoff was not this good in West Bengal because we had only KPC medical college. In last 2 years for new medical college got PG seats over there, that's why the cutoff is improved. But if you want to go for KPC medical college, then it will require much better score. You need around 380 to 385 for radio diagnosis, for dermatology around 345 to 350, for general medicine also 345 to 350, pediatrics around 295, OBG around 305, orthopedics around 295, and TB chest around 280. Now take a look at West Bengal cutoff for government quota seat in private college, where you can avail your where your categories will also apply. Okay, and the radio diagnosis went up to 10,542, general medicine 14,616, pediatrics 15,176 for general category in government quota seat in private college. OBGY went up to 8,583, orthopedics up to 18,940, TB chest up to 19,723, general surgery 26,204, ophthalmology 38,131, ENT 25,908, anesthesia 40,632, pathology 45,700. Okay, and we have NRI quota as well in West Bengal. So in private colleges there are 3 different quota: management quota which is open for other state, NRI quota which is open for other state, government quota only candidate from West Bengal can participate. Now coming to the West Bengal government colleges cutoff. So there also your category will apply, and you need to have either domicile or you need to complete your MBBS from West Bengal. So radio diagnosis went up to 2,403, dermatology 4,760, general medicine 6,941, pediatrics 10,889, OBGY 13,689, orthopedics 7,643, TB chest 9,611, General surgery 7083, psychiatry 18011, ophthalmology 19742, ENT 19823, radiation oncology 27964, emergency medicine 55327, anesthesia 25776, and pathology up to 39038. So this is the cutoff for government colleges, and I hope this video is useful, at least for those candidates who are from West Bengal and those who are targeting to get a seat through open state counseling. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a nice day.